Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Units network token. Ticker symbol is Unito, U-N-I-T-O, and this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 5th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Units network token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced on Twitter, on X.com, on Gates Twitter, which is at Gate underscore startup, or Gate.io underscore startup on X. They just announced that this token will be listed on Gate starting tomorrow, November 5th. On Gate.io. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at Gate.io. Then you would go into the trade section tomorrow, anytime after 11 a.m. UTC time, which is the exact listing time. Go into the trade section, search UNITO, and then you would trade your USDT for the token. So prior to this, November 3rd to November 5th, there was a startup campaign on Gate, an initial offering startup that you can get involved with. They have a $30,000 airdrop, and they do this a lot for token listings. They'll have an airdrop event prior to the listing. So you can check out this token on Gate tomorrow. Now, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, at Units Network on Twitter, blue verified checkmark, 145,700 Twitter followers, and they just joined in December 2023, so not even a year old yet, this Twitter, and they have a huge following, 136 posts, blue verified checkmark. It says modular infrastructure with LO scalability and restaking for consensus. And they have a link to their webpage right there, units.network. So what is this project all about? Well, you could find a full white paper on their webpage that's going to take you into depth about the project. I believe the white paper, I was looking at it earlier, very tiny print, very long, goes over the history of blockchain and all that type of stuff, as well. But if you want to find just the cliff notes, you could just go to their webpage, units.network. They have an ecosystem section, a test net section, and a roadmap on there as well. Now it says foundational layer connecting all ecosystem chains in a fully interoperable and trustless manner. Now it says you can join the test net. There's native restaking of any assets secured by real world assets, RWAs. So Units Network is a modular blockchain infrastructure offering LO scalability, restaking for consensus, like EigenLayer-like technology, and a DAO-based blockchain constructor for seamless customization. We are building a large network based on waves, with the future transition to Ethereum and Ethereum virtual machine chains. So they have the LO chain, which is the end game for L2 project scalability. restaking for consensus. You can maximize the value of your staked assets. They have the DAO Power Builder, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization Powered Builder. Gain access to exclusive units, partnered project rewards, and it says our latest product updates can be found on Telegram at unitswallet_bot, and this is the gateway for Web3 users to access units through Telegram. By connecting with partners, dApps, other chains, and launching above-mentioned products, we are expanding Units network and approaching the finish line. So the big things in the project are the DAO Builder, the LO chain, and the restaking for consensus. So those are the three big products here. So blockchain in just a few clicks. Omni-chain interoperability, so fully trustless interchain interoperability based on layer 0 consensus. Modular blockchain, extended consensus algorithm grants a blockchain modularity. And proof of restake, so layer 0 economic incentives are reused to achieve consensus in all connected chains. Redefined, so native restaking, all ecosystem liquidity is automatically restaked to maximize profits. RWA stablecoin restaking and hybrid RWA stablecoins make the ecosystem RWA ready. And chain agnostic bridges, all ecosystem blockchains have access to external liquidity with automatic restaking. So they have the it basically shows you how it works on their webpage at units.network if you want to check that out. They have all their partners are on here: Tron, Ledger, Allbridge, Velo, Binance, Lumia, Upbit, DWF Labs, N1 Tro, etc. And then their roadmap. They have a very lengthy roadmap, but basically it starts with Epoch of Chaos, all the way back from May 2024. Then the Epoch of DAO Balance, and then Supremacy Epoch, Offsprings Epoch, Epoch of Knowledge. So these are the names of all the different phases, basically. And it goes all the way until like 2025, 2026 is the last phase of the roadmap. At the very bottom of their page, you can find a Telegram, Twitter, and also a Discord group that you could join as well to learn more about this project. But for now, this token is getting a big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 5th at 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So go check out Gate. Check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.